Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative technologies of our time, blockchain. The title says it all. Blockchain, the future of trust. Why is it called the future of trust? Well, we'll get to that as we explore this technology together. Blockchain isn't just a buzzword. It's a groundbreaking innovation that's changing how we think about transactions, data security, and even trust itself. Whether you're new to the concept or looking to deepen your understanding, this session is for you. Let's get started. To understand blockchain, let's start with a simple definition. Blockchain is a decentralized, distributed ledger technology. This might sound technical, but it's actually quite straightforward. Imagine a digital notebook that everyone can see, but no one can erase or change without everyone knowing. Now, let's break down some key characteristics. 1. Decentralized. There's no single boss or company controlling the blockchain. It's shared among everyone in the network, which makes it more democratic. 2. Distributed. Instead of keeping all records in one place, blockchain spreads copies of its ledger across many computers or nodes around the world. 3. Immutable. Once something is written in the blockchain, it's permanent. No one can go back and alter the past records, making it tamper-proof. 4. Secure. Thanks to cryptography, blockchain ensures that the data is protected and trustworthy. Think of the blockchain as a massive, secure chain of blocks where each block is a record of transactions. The beauty of this system lies in its transparency and security. Now that we know what blockchain is, let's talk about how it actually works. At its core, blockchain is a chain of blocks, and each block contains a bunch of transactions. When new transactions occur, they get grouped together into a block. But what makes blockchain unique is how these blocks are linked together. This linking is done using cryptography, a secure method of protecting information. Every block contains a unique code called a hash, which not only identifies that block, but also connects it to the previous block, forming a chain. So how do new blocks get added to the chain? This is where the consensus mechanism comes into play. Essentially, it's the process of getting everyone in the network to agree on the validity of transactions. Two popular methods are proof of work (POW). This is like solving a complex puzzle. The first computer to solve it gets to add the new block to the chain. Proof of stake (POS). Here, the right to add new blocks is given to participants based on how many coins they hold, making it more energy efficient. This process ensures that everyone is on the same page and that the blockchain remains secure and accurate. Blockchain offers several powerful benefits that make it a game-changer across various industries. Let's explore some of these. Transparency. Every transaction is visible to everyone in the network. This openness builds trust because nothing is hidden. Security. Blockchain uses cryptography to protect data, making it extremely difficult for hackers to tamper with information. Efficiency. By cutting out intermediaries like banks or brokers, blockchain speeds up processes and reduces costs. Trust. Blockchain allows people to do business directly with each other without needing a middleman. The technology itself ensures that transactions are legitimate. Imagine a world where you don't need to rely on third parties to verify every transaction. Blockchain empowers individuals and businesses by creating a trustless system where trust is built into the technology itself. Now that we've covered how blockchain works and its benefits, let's look at some real-world applications where blockchain is already making a difference. Financial services. Blockchain is revolutionizing the financial industry. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most well-known examples. But beyond that, blockchain enables fast, secure transactions and smart contracts, automated agreements that execute when conditions are met. Supply chain management. With blockchain, companies can track products from the moment they're made until they reach the consumer. This helps prevent counterfeiting and ensures that products are authentic. Healthcare. In the medical field, blockchain ensures that patient data is secure and only accessible to authorized individuals. It's also used to streamline and secure the sharing of electronic health records. Government. Imagine voting in an election where your vote is securely recorded on a blockchain, ensuring transparency and eliminating fraud. Governments are also exploring blockchain for managing land registries and identity management. These are just a few examples, but blockchain's potential is vast. It's already changing industries, and we're just getting started. While blockchain is incredibly promising, it's not without its challenges. It's important to understand these so we can address them as the technology evolves. Scalability. As more people use blockchain, the network needs to handle more transactions. However, some blockchains struggle to keep up with high volumes, leading to slower processing times. Energy consumption, particularly with proof-of-work systems like Bitcoin, a lot of energy is required to validate transactions. This has raised concerns about the environmental impact. Regulatory environment. Blockchain operates across borders, and different countries have different laws. Creating a clear regulatory framework that works globally is a complex task. Privacy. Blockchain's transparency is one of its strengths, but it also raises concerns about privacy. Balancing transparency with the need for confidentiality is a significant challenge. These challenges are not insurmountable, but they do require careful consideration as blockchain continues to grow and develop. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of blockchain. I hope you found this overview informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or want to discuss blockchain further, don't hesitate to reach out, keep learning, and stay curious. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want to learn more about technology, programming, and blockchain, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.